Kit's Crows.
Bye-bye. Huh, a little cloudy today. Still feels nice. Let's go. Well, I don't see any birds. At least no one's following me. Oh, they ate up the rest. Okay. There. Alright. Let's go find some friends. Wow, these are ripe. They're falling everywhere. I'm gonna try. Oh, don't trip on that. I'm gonna try one. Oh, they are ripe. Yeah, that's good. Oh, the skin is sour though. There's a crow way over there. I don't know if he's gonna come and visit. Car. I wasn't sure if you were coming through it. Okay. Yeah, it's kind of narrow.
It is.
You have a good one. Kitty! Pepe! Pepe! Come here! Hey, Pepe! Come here, Pepe! Kitty, kitty! Hi, kitty! Oh, oh, kitty! Okay, Pepe wants to go visit them. He really likes that lady. I really gotta pet him though. I love Pepe. Whoa. Someone squeaking at me? Maybe. I see a bunch of chickens. Okay, well, I'm gonna continue on my walk. What's that cage for? Okay. See if we can find some crow friends somewhere. Well, we're walking around in the downtown now. This is one of the slower streets at this time of day. It's a one-way street. Still haven't seen any crows. That's surprising. We got some nice paintings though on both sides. Oh, look at you. It was making some cute noises. I'm heading up to Grocery Outlet now. Kitty! Hi, kitty! Kitty, kitty, kitty! Kitty! Bye, kitty! I love to pet you. Where'd you go? Kitty, kitty, kitty! Look at you are! Look at that kitty! Kitty, kitty! Kitty, kitty, kitty. Kitty. Psst, 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 psst. Kitty, kitty, kitty. I don't think he's super interested. He's just like, what's going on? Okay, you go park your butt. Oh, kitty, kitty. You're so cute. Kitty. Okay, well, I can't wait forever. Oof, that hurts my knees. Bye-bye, kitty. Walking by Henry's. It's very lush. In the fall it turns all red. It changes with the seasons and it's so cool. Still haven't... Oh, I see a crow way over there. He's on top of the library. There he is. Oh, there's a couple. Let's go over there. Oh, I see Kevin. Maybe I won't. Hi, Kevin. I was waving to him. I just don't want to put him on camera. Oh, the car is turning. Ah. There's a crow over there. I'm coming. Oh, sign. Fell over. Ugh. Hey, you. I've been looking for you. Where you been? I know I heard a friend somewhere over that way. Hey. There we go. Yay! Now we just need your friend to join. Oh! There we are. Hi! Come. You made a little bark. Okay. Have fun. Where are you going? You should get some too. Yeah, there we go. Alright, he's just eating it over there in the grass. Okay, see you guys later. Chicken's sitting on the little perch. Hey, chickens. Well, I gotta go make some lunch. We're having ramen today. Yeah. Hey, you. Want to come meet me at the corner? Hey, let's go this way. There might be kitties around. Pepe was out here just a little while ago. Okay, I don't see any kitties. And there's another friend. Okay, 1 second. Leave a tree right here. We got a friend, so I'll leave a good amount. Yeah, there you go. Oh, hello. Yeah. Time for yummy treats. Are we happy now? I've noticed lately some of them, like, it seems like they almost have a bluish tint. There was one a few days ago that was very pretty. It's barely there. They're not entirely black. Yeah. Happy little hops. Oh, what's up? What are you doing? Do you have food? Are you gonna dunk it? What's up? Or are you just thirsty? You're just thirsty. Okay, well, I'll see you later. Okay, we're home. And again, I don't think any birds are following me. They hardly touch their snack. Oh, they just took the peanuts. They took all the peanuts. Well, I'll leave a little, just because, so someone can get a chance at some more peanuts. Oh, none really came out with that, whatever. It's still food. They'll be happy. I'm gonna try one of these apricots. If we can reach it. Oh, come here. Oh man. Can reach this one. Oh, that came off pretty easily. Let's see. Yeah, I'm still not crazy about apricots. But there's mealy. Yeah, I'm not gonna eat the rest of that. That's too much.